Hey, what's up everyone? I have a day full of maintenance on some of our vehicles and I figured I'd take you guys along for the ride. First off, I gotta drop off the Jeep for an alignment and an oil change. You can't see the dealership, but it's back there. Anyways, then my friend Jordy's gonna pick me up because we're gonna work on his Subaru. He wants to bleed his brakes and his clutch. And then we might stop by and see my S2000 on the way back. And then after that, I might do a mod on the Apollo. And then to top it off, I have to drop the Alfa back here again for also an oil change and alignment. Hey-o! What's up, man? How's it going? What's up? There she is. There she is, all her glory. Unfortunately, Pete couldn't figure her out, so it'll be back in my garage soon. Pretty rough shape, as you can tell. I mean, it looks so good. Like, it's got so much potential.
I know.
It's got so much potential, but it's gonna take some time. Okay, so here's my good friend Jordy. There's his Subaru WRX, and we're gonna be changing his brake fluid and clutch fluid. Alright.
If anybody wants to know, this is a 2017 WRX.
Whoa, what was that?
What the fuck was that?
What the fuck was that? I don't know. What the? Oh, that's what it was.
No.
Was it that?
No, I don't know. Anyways, 2017 WRX. Just have a green speed intake, parent charge pipe, green speed
Top mount.
top mount cooler, green speed intake, charge pipe, TGV deletes, EGR unplugged, turbo XS bypass valve, and electronic boost controller. That's pretty much it.
Nice. I see you got a STI oil fill cap.
Yeah, just an oil fill cap, nothing, you know, green speed, engine dress up.
Cool.
And then I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do brake fluids. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there. I haven't really seen much of the clutch because it shares the same as the brake reservoir for the 2017 WRX.
Yeah.
So we're gonna find out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out together.
Yeah. For some of you guys that may ask, these are ESR's SR08, I believe. Just in the bronze color.
Yeah.
I have Stop Tech rotors, slotted rotors in the front,
Nice.
regular Stop Tech rotors in the back. And I just painted the calipers red. They look like because I didn't put clear coat. That's my fault.
Oh yeah. Eight or 10, yeah. I'd say 10. It'd have to be a kind of a deep socket to fit over that. I'd bring a wrench instead. Yeah, you definitely want a wrench so you can open and close it when I tell you. There's my original S2000 block. Check out cylinder 3, blasted open, RIP.
So in the comments, did he LS swap his S2000 though?
Right. Yeah, because I got I got that catfish out there that I'm not using. It's got a LS1 in it, of course.
You have to, I'm telling him to do it, but he's iffy. All right, so 10 millimeter.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, so you break that, break it open, then close it again, and then I'll pump.
Hold on. So I put this in. matter.
Did you already mention you got the cab access port on this?
No.
Well, there it is. Anyways.
Yeah, I'm tuned by Fat Body Tuning. Pretty good. Getting some dam drops here and there. Probably bad gas. Sucks. But that's the mod life, I guess.
Right, for sure. Okay, I'm pumping. All right, I'm holding. Yeah, open.
All right.
And then close it again.
Close.
And I'm pumping. All right, holding.
Open.
Yep.
Close.
Yep, close. All right, cool. All right, let's check the reservoir. You're good. All right, yeah, we can pump some more. We can do it like 2 more times, then we'll do the next wheel.
Okay.
All right, go ahead.
So how much I gotta pump it?
Like 5, and then hold.
4, 5. Holding.
Open.
All right, go into the ground.
All right, closed.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, what's up?
I'm gonna go pick up the Jeep.
But you got no. I have to take the tune off of that. Okay.
Oh, that's it. I can already do it.
No. Well, yeah, we have to undo all the sensors connected. Oh yeah, the rubber. Man, I wanted to take you for a ride in it when we were gonna go drop it off. You can just start with that one. So, for those watching on YouTube right now, you didn't see anything. Don't mind any of this.
Are you on live?
Live? No. But I said that I was gonna drop this off, and I never mentioned I was gonna remove the tune on camera.
Oh yeah, just now you're removing the tune.
No, what tune?
Oh, yeah.
There's no tune here. Right, Jordy?
I didn't see anything. I'm just fixing something.
Yeah, some bolt came loose. And I'm just checking the sensors. Make sure everything's connected back together.
How long will this take?
Well, you gotta take off this plumbing right here to get to the oil filter underneath. So it'll take a little longer than a regular oil change, but still shouldn't be like an hour or two if they get on it right away.
Would you be okay with picking it up Monday?
Yeah.
Because then we have to go back and then come back.
Yeah.
And that's too much.
Cool. Alright, start it up and hopefully there's no check engine lights because I missed something.
My card.
It's good?
Oh, there's a little exclamation point. But...
No, that's tire.
Oh, okay.
It's a tire symbol. Alright. Cool. Alright, so I bought Amber this Power Core 2 exhaust upgrade for the Apollo, because in the future I think our goal is going to try to match, get the Apollo as close to the Honda as far as power goes. See how close we can get with that. This exhaust looks almost identical to the factory one on the Apollo. It just does have this little resonator chamber right here. It's kind of smaller than the one on the Apollo. So right now I'll start up the Apollo and give you a before sound so we can see the difference between factory and this Power Core 2. Okay, so I changed my mind. I figured that while Amber is teaching her dance class, I'll just replace the exhaust in the parking lot. Stock head pipe. So here they are next to each other. You can see the Power Core is a bit smaller than this factory exhaust. On the inside, can't really tell what the factory one looks like, but the Power Core looks pretty unobstructed and free-flowing. Again, here's the head pipe, which on the factory one, you can see has a larger resonator. Alright, so we'll get this on and then we'll see if the butt dyno notices any power increases, or maybe it just sounds cooler. So I read that this was possible, this could happen, that the flange to mount it on the head pipe might need some drumming, so I did bring my Dremel just in case, and sure enough it does seem like this one needs it. Alright, let's see if this got anywhere. Oh shit, it sure did. Cool. The exhaust is on. It was kind of janky getting it on there. Had to really force it in place. This little welded mount right here doesn't seem like it wants to go to anything. I thought maybe it could go to the frame bolt, but that just wasn't happening. And then also from the head pipe to that rear pipe back there, I thought there'd be like a V-band flange maybe to tighten this down, but there isn't, so I mean it's probably just going to be an exhaust leak. But I'll get this thing started up right now. We'll see what it sounds like compared to the factory one. Okay, well, there's that. It doesn't really sound too much different than factory did. Maybe tomorrow while we're riding, maybe the butt dyno will say something different. But it doesn't seem like it did much of a difference at all, at least audio-wise. Alright guys, so that's a wrap on our maintenance day today. We were able to get an oil change and an alignment, some TSBs done on the Jeep, and then also dropped the Alfa off for an oil change and alignment. Then we also did the brake flush and clutch fluid flush on the Sub. And tomorrow we're going to be out riding the dirt bikes, so there'll be new content on those as well. And we have a nice surprise for you, so be on the lookout for that, and thanks for watching.